During the months of January, February, March, April, May, we start vegging January, February, March, and April and May we flower out. Some next year we'll be starting in December and then flowering out in April and March and April, so that we don't have to worry about blacking out next year.
Wait! What are you buying retail for? Become a member and go direct to the manufacturer, as low as $50 a month. Learn more below. Don't worry, you're not going to get the coronavirus. We're practicing social distance. This is the internet. Hey everyone, how are you doing today? So we have another, it's not the most sexiest product that DL Wholesale carries, but it's actually one of the most essential products that you can have in your grow room, as well as it's one of those things you're going to use from just setting up your grow room before you ever put your plants in there. You're going to be able to use it for reservoirs. It's going to be one of the most cheap, inexpensive products you purchase, but you can use it. It's like duct tape. You can use it for 1,000 different things. You know, MacGyver here, he'd probably add it to one of his go-to products on his list, right along with duct tape. So we're here today also with Manny from DL Wholesale. Please talk to me about the different sizes that you carry, and people can get a hold of that they can get Panda paper from you.
Okay, so right here, this is the 10x10 Panda film sheet. We carry all different sizes. Our biggest one is 50 by 100, I believe. We carry 25 or 10 by 25, 25 by 100. And our timer just went off, just knowing that our mechanical time has stopped, so showing that our lights work.
And the timer works too, so as you can see, reliable equipment all the way across the DL Wholesale.
Just make sure to know your correct times for the times. So this, a lot of people call this a depping plastic. Basically, they pull it over a greenhouse to control the sunset and sunrise of their plants, even though when sometimes the sun goes a little bit too longer and farmers want to be able to get that perfect 12 hours for that perfect bloom time. So this helps out with that in those long summer days. This is great for lighting your grow room if you just want to have like a clean surface to walk on, and light reflects off of this white. So this is a black and white film. That's the reason why it's called Panda. It's black and white. So it's black on the inside, white on the outside. We'll show you. We also have different thickness. This is our 5.5 mil, but we also carry a 7 mil, an 8 mil, and I believe we will be getting to the 9. We are starting to carry a 9 mil. These are really, really thick.
So just like how Manny said, you know, you can use this product for a water reservoir. You can align the walls with it because it's reflective and it gives you clean surface area for your walls and for your floor, and also for light depping, being able to grow year-round outdoor because you're controlling the light. That's a much more advanced conversation around controlling your light and being able to be more productive and get more harvests off, which increases your ROI. Although it's actually, like I said, one of the best products you could possibly use.
Wait! What are you buying retail for? Become a member and go direct to the manufacturer, as low as $50 a month. Learn more below. Don't worry, you're not going to get the coronavirus. We're practicing social distance. This is the internet. Thank you so much. And once again, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed, subscribe down below so that you can watch the next potentially 20 to 30 videos building out this grow room behind us.